Hey, what's going on, everyone? Can Mara get some love? Because the market has dipped in price ever since it came and hit that seller's pocket around 28 bucks. Is a $26 breakout coming? Let's talk about it, because there's a sell zone right there around $28 to $30 that the last time the buyers attempted to break through, they failed. Okay? And we talked about it on our last video in Mara. So we cannot be surprised. We cannot question, why is the stock going down? Well, because on this particular channel, we told you that there was sellers in that range of $28 all the way up here towards $29.40, $29.40. So what now? Well, let's talk about it. So after we conclude our price prediction in Mara, the market topped out at $30.28, which was around 15-16% profit. Now let's get rid of this. Now the crazy part is that, yes, even though the buyers got rejected at that $28 seller's pocket, they're still trying to hold price right here at this buyer's pocket. Look at that. The last 4 days, the market in Mara has supported price in that pocket. That needs to be maintained. If we're going to see the price in Mara continue to go up and try to break $30 to the upside, we need to see them hold that. Now, given the price action, it looks as if they're not there though. And I'm talking about the buyers. It don't look like the buyers are really there. But first, let's look at Mara on the 2. Okay. This kind of gives us a hint of things to come. This 2-day price bar is not bullish. Then you have the next follow-on 2-day price bar, which is not bullish. But now you have this one. 9 more hours. How would this price bar print? If we close all the way back up here to the high of the prior 2 days, then that tells us we thought those buyers were out, but they came back and said, no, I'm still here. But we need to see that in the next 9 hours. Because if we don't see that in the next 9 hours, then we need to talk and say that, well, Mara might continue to go down. Here it is on the 3. Okay. Does this look bullish to you? Not really. Starting with this one right there. This is where the selling began in Mara, and it continued in this 3-day price bar, continued in this one, and it's still being seen on that 3-day price bar, and then this one. Mara on the 4. Here it is on the 5. I don't like the 5 neither. Mara on the weekly chart. Look how we ended last week. Here it is on the 2. 3. 5. Yeah, this is the 5 weekly chart right there. Look at that bar. It would be one thing if we saw price in Mara close at the high of this 5 weekly time frame, but look, it didn't. And the volume definitely was high. We haven't seen this much volume since the beginning of this year. So it looks to me, I'm not bullish in Mara, but one of the best things that we could potentially see is this market just trade within a range. I think that's probably the best thing right now. So we are going to play some weakness in the market for Mara. Okay. Now I'm going to get rid of this pocket of buying here, because I don't think those buyers are going to hold that zone. I don't think so, but they might. But we're going to aim for some lower prices in Mara, and it looks to me the next area will be around $20.50. Let's see. Okay, we're going to hold that pocket right there I just created. This is where the market needs to bounce. Our first target is going to be at $20.50. It's 9.85% there. All the way down here to $17.22 or 21 cents, 24.32. That would be that consolidation range. Now it's very wide. It'll be one thing if we see the market in Mara hold this first pocket of buying. That will increase my thesis that price is going to try to break out to that $30 area. But if it doesn't hold this first pocket of buying, then we have a wider range to see this market consolidate and trade within in the area. So we'll hold that there. All right, so I'm done. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.